2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 SBT for sale in Matcalfe, Ontario, Canada K0A2P0 Get ready for your next roadworthy adventure with this 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 SBT. This Class A RV is approximately 36 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that has been outfitted with 3 power retractable slide-outs and 1 awning. With sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests, this Holiday Rambler is the ideal memory-making environment for loved ones and friends. Powered by a Triton V10 gas engine that is mated with a TorqShift 5-speed transmission with overdrive as well as a Ford Super Duty chassis, this performance-oriented powerhouse is ready to take you anywhere your heart desires. With only 10,500 miles, you can rest assured that this Holiday Rambler RV will be on the road for many years to come. If you are someone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite, then look no further, because this Holiday Rambler Vacationer is perfect for you. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, this Class A RV is eager to become your next home away from home. Hit the road with minimal effort because it comes fully loaded with a plethora of comfort and convenience features. Highlights of its advantages include full-body paint, rear-view monitoring system, interior wood finish sofa, 2 reclining seats, power leveling jacks, power retractable entry steps, storage dresser, 2 TelevisionsSatellite AntennaWIFI, Power Ranger outside entertainment, queen-size master bed, enclosed shower, porcelain toilet, great cooking area with 3-burner stove, convection oven, and microwave, refrigerator/freezer, covered sink, U-shaped kitchen, Dinette AC and FurnaceTow, HitchBasement, StorageWasher/dryer, plus so much more. This 2015 Holiday Rambler 36 SBT has been meticulously maintained. It comes with a warranty that could possibly be transferred upon sale. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. Call today for more information on how you can make your traveling dreams into a reality with this impressive Holiday Rambler RV.